Okay, here is the HotSpotBoard script, which I developed for English Village, and it is published on the GitHub. And you can find at this address GitHub Salazar LSL Vault, and then there is the HotSpotBoard directory. Okay. On this directory you can find the script, which is here. In this script you can have it, so just click on row, and you can select and copy everything, and then go to your virtual world, which is OpenSim, and here you should create a box. So create something like this, and be sure that you build it as okay. We begin with the rotation 0 rotation. We must be sure that it is on the epsilon, on the y axis, no? So it is like okay, just let me show you what it is, the ordinary English objects. Okay, so this is, for example, one I already did, and this is you have to be sure that it is aligned on the okay, so you see that it is aligned on the x-axis. So it is if you do edit, this is okay, it is if you put at rotation 0, so you have to have it all squashed on the right axis. Okay, so if we start from scratch, we need to do this. So squash, and then you have to make a board. This board, you go on the where the arrow points. Okay, and this is the front side, and then you go on content and create a script, and the script is what you copied before. Yes, it is. Save. Okay, script saved, and there is an error because it is asking for a config notecard. So let's name this HotSpotBoard. Okay, and we need to put a config. And config is a notecard, and we have already one config here, but you can create another one, and this config should contain, this is a sample, so you can take here the config has okay, this is the standard way we can define the coordinates of the points of the hotspot area on the map, but I will show you after how you can compute them in a semi-automated way. So be sure to put here this thing, and in case you have to reset the script, and you can check if it read everything from the notecard, and here it is. There are 4 areas, hot areas, that are configured on it. Okay, so next thing is to have a map on this object, and the map I already loaded here, but you can find a sample here. So hotspot, and you have this map. This map you can download and upload on your server, OpenSea server, and then it is see, it is okay. This is the textures. Okay, UK map with cities. Here it is. Okay, so what happens now is that you need to, okay, maybe you can do it texture full bright. Okay, and then we need to have some labels. The labels, you can create labels just like in this way, and then you squash the label and put them to be similar to something, because this label is meant to be put over a city. And what's important is that if we want a label for London, we need to call this London. Okay, then this is the first label, London, and then we get another such label for example, Liverpool. Okay, and this label is Liverpool. Okay, so and you can have as many labels as you need. For example, here there is Glasgow and there is Nottingham, but let's just demonstrate two labels. Okay, for this label to work, you have to link this label to the main board. This is made clicking and selecting all the labels. You can have many labels, and then the last, and you have to leave the shift button pressed, so you can click and have all the labels and the map selected, and then you can do Ctrl L, which is relinking everything. So when you do this, you actually have it working. Just let me okay, back here, just check the one thing. So when it works, and if you build the object exactly as I showed you, you should find at every reset of this script that the labels are put on the left side. So the ideal would be to have these labels, so just edit linked and then select this label, and probably you have to put some texture inside this label, and maybe they can be transparent, or they can have a transparent layer, and maybe you can do something like this that is a bit transparent, and so that you can see if they are correctly put on the map or not. Okay, so maybe you can also have to set texture or a color which is good for them. Okay, so having this is the way it works. So we have a list of hotspots. Hotspot is an area. Each area is defined from its top left and right, bottom right corner. So in this diagonal, you can define this area, which is a rectangle, and whenever you click on, for example, this, which is London, you have 30 seconds to click where it should be in the map, and if it is correct, then the label moves there. But if, for example, this is Liverpool, and Liverpool you put on Belfast, then you have Liverpool is actually in another place. So you have to go here, and then Liverpool it's here. And here you have, when you complete this, you can reset this and just chatting to the map. So 10:01 and then command is reset, and 10:01 reset is actually shuffling the labels and put them on the left side of the map, so you can start again and have another run. So the next thing is to properly create this node card. So you see that we have a config with London, Liverpool, Glasgow, Nottingham, but let's assume that we want to, for example, name English channel. So English channel, how can we define the coordinates? These coordinates actually they are percentage of x and y, but it's very difficult to compute them, so there is automated way. So keep open the node card, and we need to put the map in design mode. So /1001 and design mode is recognized by this. You have 30 seconds to click on the top left, and then you have to click the label of this. So this is English channel. Okay, but it didn't work because we waited a bit too much, so we put in design mode again. Design, okay, and so here English channel, okay, and then we have to click on the here, okay, and then as you see that there is an English channel, a pipe is a vertical bar, and then its coordinates. So if you take this and copy this and put here in the node card and put it on as the last item, and then you can save this. But now you need a new label, so you just copy the name of the new label and then go here and then do edit, and essentially you unlink everything, okay, and then click on click here, click on the label, and just shift move one label. And so this new label, you just put the name, so it's not London but is English channel, okay. And next you have to shift click the second, the third, and then as usual the last is the map, and then link. So now they are all linked, so we have this one, which is Liverpool, which is here, we have London, which is here, and then we have English channel, which is here, right. So as you have seen, this is completely programmable. 10:01 reset, and you can program this for every kind of quizzes as you like. This example probably it's trivial, but you can have a mute map, that is a map without the name of the cities, and then you can have the name of the cities, and then you can name the city. Otherwise we can have all sorts of language, fill in the blanks, and so you can have sentences, or you can have any kind of game, and in this way you can be sure to teach people where to put correctly the label in the correct place. In case you want to change the script, just you have to open the script, and you can find here the label that appears. For example, if you wanted to play sound, if it is correct, you have to check here, Ctrl F, and then maybe it's correct. No. Okay, correct. No. Okay, so it is near the bottom. You have okay, this is move link state. In this move link state there is what happens if it is correct here in this line, and so here there is info, which is just writing of this on the chat, but you can use other instruction, for example LL play sound, to play sound or to make whatever you need, and this is what happens if the you are clicking on the wrong spot. Okay, I think this is almost everything for this tool. Hope it can be usable for you, and if you have any observation, or if it is not working or has problems, please contact me. See you.